Hi guys, it's Lottie on my channel, aka Lulu Lottie, aka Lottie Lou. Today I'm going to be showing you some of my slimes that are in stock for my I can't speak today, for my slime shop. So I'm going to quickly show you the notepads which me and Layla Corbett share for the slime. Layla has her own notebook and I also have my own, and then we also share one. So this is the notebook. This is a butterfly one. I am in the Scented. My room is the Scented Slimes office. Okay. So here, this is Layla's page sheet, and this is mine. And we don't know what's in this book. So this is my book, and these are both my books which stay here. But this is my book for thing, and this is Layla's book for her thing. So on here it simply says customers, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 13 bullet points, which are all rainbow. And we've got the slimes. And we've got the information. So the information is only sold to school members and family. I'm sorry guys. Will take a week or more. Will need your own container for slime. Brackets, big batch. How much it is. A small batch is 40p. A medium batch is 80. And a big amount / batch is 160. All of this will be going to my mum's childminder. Extras. There will be sweets, a thank you note, an info note, and if we're feeling generous, like extra generous, there will be some slime. Moving on to Layla's page, what slimes you can buy is chewed up bubblegum, apple pie, banana split, orange sherbet, pink fluffy candy, red berry, pink flan, Oreo crunchy cake, funfetti cake batter, yellow sun, orange crumble, red apple, pink grapefruit, pink fluffy marshmallow, grape, lemon and lime. And then in our own books there are some more different changes, but we will be selling these, and then most of these are the same, but some of them we have added extras in. So I'm going to show you all the ones that are in stock. Also, we take donations if we're donating instead of buying. I'm going to get the bag out. I'm just going to go and get the slimes. Okay, I have all the slimes with me. Some might look like store-bought slime. They are, because I'm not really allowed to make slime, but so I buy some, which just like that, yeah. So I got my slimes in here, and then I got some ones in myself. So the first one we have is banana split, and I have 2 ones of these in. This is how much spread it out the small one will be, and this will be 40p. So here it is. Spread it out. These will be 40p. Then we have some here, and this one is pink grapefruit. We have another pink grapefruit, and this is also the small batch, 40p. And then we have the same one, banana split. This one's not for sale because I love banana split slime. It's my favourite one, so I decided I should keep some for myself. Let me get this out, guys. I need to look at slime, see. So I don't remember all the names, guys. Some aren't in bags. The pink, some of them when they say crunchy nut, they won't actually be crunchy. Okay, so this is grape, and it's also a store-bought slime. And then we have this one, which is a bit dirty, but still that, which is pink fluffy marshmallow. And then we have another slime, which is a go down slime, and this is yellow sun. So right now we have 5 slimes in stock, and since it's our first day, I think that's pretty good. Also, if you want me to put some of your slimes into our slime shop, I will do that. Just send it to me. So Amy, let's show you the slimes. The first slime I'm going to show you will be Yellow Sun. Yellow Sun is quite a small batch. It's really nice. But we will be selling this a bit smaller since it is a small batch. I bought it. So this is Yellow Sun, and it's really nice. So you'll see me in the next video making that bag. So I'm going to go and put it in my cushion bag. Next one we'll do is pink fluffy marshmallow. Now all of this will be going out, so if you get it, you're very lucky, since this is my favourite slime, one of my favourite slimes. I'm going to put it in there. The next slime will be this one. It's great. That's great. The next one will be pink grapefruit. Here it is. And this, you probably like 40p, that's really a lot, that's a lot of money. Well, yeah, I know, but it's really, really decent. This is a really nice one. then the last one is banana split. Scented like vanilla. This slime is amazing. And that's all. So, bye guys. See you tomorrow.